Hi everyone, welcome to Great Online Training. This is Kavya, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about the base SAS certification question number 42, and let's dive into the question number 42. So the question number 42 is, you are working with a large data set that contains missing values in some numeric columns. You need to calculate the average of three variables var1, var2 and var3, but exclude the missing values in your calculation. Which method is the most efficient for handling this task in the data step? So what actually the question asks is, there is a large data set that contains some of the missing values in some numeric columns. So what are the variables, what are the numeric variables are? var1, var2 and var3 are the numeric variables. So we want to calculate the average of three variables but exclude the missing values. There may be some missing values in the particular variables, but we should not calculate the missing values to overcome, and we should overcome the missing values and we have to calculate the average of three variables. So which method is the most efficient for handling this task in the data step? So what is the correct option in these four we have to find now. So the first option is average of var1, var2 and var3. First of all, average, to calculate the average we should not use the AVG because the AVG option is not present in the SAS. So that option is absolutely wrong. And the next one is mean of var1 to var3. So to calculate the average is nothing but mean of three variables. So mean of var1 to var3. So this is correct. If we don't write of there var1, var2 and var3, we can write like that, like this here. In the first option you can see var1, var2, var3 we can write. But this is for small data set. But for large data set we can't write. For example, if we have up to 50 variables, we want to calculate the average of 50 variables. How can we calculate that? We can't write. So for that purpose only we can write the of statement. For example, I have said that 50 variables, so var1 to var50 you have to write like that. This will work for the small data set, but for large data set we have to use the of statement. And the next one is total var1, var2 and var3. This option is also not present. And the next one is calculate. So this one also not present in the SAS. So the correct option here is the mean of var1 to var3. So mean is nothing but the calculation of the average of three variables. So I have took an example and I will show you that. So you can see now. So here I have created data example. So let me run now data example, and here set example average is equals to mean of var1 to var3, that is calculating mean and excluding missing values. You can see here var1, var2 and var3 are created, and I have placed some of the missing values in the observations itself. So we have to exclude the missing values and we have to calculate the average of three variables. So here I have written it average is equals to mean of var1 to var3. So let me run the program and see the log. Okay, everything was fine. And here calculated mean. So var1, var2 and var3 is created, average was created. In the data step or in the proc step we have to use the mean function to calculate the average of the variables. So this is what the correct option here is, mean of var1 to var3. So if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section. And if you want more questions like this, subscribe to the Great Online Training channel. We will provide you more interesting questions, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel, like the video and share the video to your friends and colleagues who need the SAS certification. So thank you for watching.